Exercise. Let me invite you into the exercise of the body scan into welcoming prayer. Some of you folks probably have gone through this before, but let me just ground you into the practice of the welcoming prayer, into your bodies and into the experience, sinking deeply into whatever you're feeling. And it doesn't have to be an emotion, it could just be a place in your body. And this is where you can sink into pain if that's what it is, right? Discomfort. Right? And then going through the welcoming prayer. And then we'll do some sharing and we'll take a break. So just invite you to be comfortable. And as you sit where you're sitting, if you notice again any discomfort, any tension, just move around until you do feel comfortable, till you do notice you're less tense. And as you feel comfortable sitting, invite you to close your eyes. Close your eyes if you can. If you can't, just defocus. And with your eyes closed or gently defocused, just begin to become aware of your body. Just notice, get in touch with your body. And as you become more in touch with your body, again, if you notice any tension, just let that go again. Maybe move around, shake what needs to be shaken to let go. And as you let go of that next level of tension, just rest into that ease that you've created. And now notice your breath. And as you breathe again, if there's any tension there, just let that go. Perhaps with a deep cleansing breath or a sigh or whatever is needed. Now, with greater awareness of your body, with less tension, I invite you to imagine a white light of awareness shining from above to the top of your head. And in a moment, I'll be guiding that white light of awareness through your body, asking you to pay attention to whatever you're experiencing where that white light is shining. And what you may experience is perhaps some tension that you didn't notice before, or some other form of discomfort. Perhaps you'll notice a feeling of heat or coolness, maybe some energy moving. Maybe you'll notice a place that's more relaxed. Or perhaps you'll notice nothing at all. So with that white light of awareness shining at the top of your head, I invite you to notice whatever you're feeling at the top of your head. Now take that white light of awareness to your forehead and notice whatever you're feeling there. Now take that white light of awareness into your eyes, to your nose, your cheeks, to your mouth, to your chin, bring that white light of awareness to your ears. Now to the back of your head, down to the base of your neck, to your shoulders. Now to your upper arms, into your elbows, your lower arms, into your wrists, your hands, and your fingers. Notice whatever you're feeling in your hands and your fingers. Now take that white light of awareness back to your shoulders, now around to your throat, down into your chest, into your abdomen. Around to your ribs, now to your upper back, to the middle of your back, your lower back, into your pelvis and your seat. Just notice any pressure that you may be feeling as you're sitting. Now take that white light of awareness into your upper legs, down your thighs, into your knees, down into your lower legs, to your ankles, your heels, your feet, and your toes. Notice whatever you're feeling in your feet and your toes. And now I invite you to take that white light of awareness back to the top of your head, and on your own, guide it to any part of your body you feel needs more attention. And when you're at that part of your body that needs more attention, just sink into whatever you're feeling there. Immerse yourself fully in that feeling as if you were getting into a nice hot bath. And as you're immersed in this feeling, I invite you to say the following to yourselves silently after me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're welcoming this feeling, and you're welcoming an awareness of God's presence and action there. Continue to remain immersed in this feeling with this attitude of welcome. And now I invite you to say the following to yourselves again silently after me. I let go of my desire for security, affection, control. Welcome. I embrace this moment as it is. And when you feel ready, I invite your presence back to this space and for you to gently open your eyes.